Hello, my friends. Let me ask you a question. If you have a phone but never charge it, will it work? The battery will die. Your English needs the daily charge of practice. Learning English is the same. If you only study one day in a month, you will forget everything. But if you make English a part of your daily life, you will improve fast. Today, I will share 7 daily habits that can change your English forever. These habits are simple. You don't need expensive books. You don't need big classes. You just need your phone, a little time every day, and motivation. Habit number 1. Read a little every day. Reading helps you see how words are used. You don't need to read big books. Start small. Read short stories, news, or social media posts in English. Read one page of a story before sleeping. Read English subtitles when watching a video. Tip: keep a notebook and write new words you find. Why reading is important. Reading improves your vocabulary. You learn new words. Reading improves your grammar naturally. You see how sentences are made. When you read, you don't just learn one word. You learn the word in a sentence, so you know how to use it. Habit number 2. Listen to English daily. Listening is the first step to understanding English naturally. Babies learn their first language by listening, and you can too. Listening trains your ear to understand real English. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning. Listen to a podcast while cooking, play English songs, and follow the lyrics. Tip: choose topics you enjoy. Learning becomes fun. Why listening is important. Improves understanding. You can catch words and phrases faster. It helps with pronunciation. You hear how words are really spoken. It teaches natural English. You learn how people actually talk, not just textbook English. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is working. Over time, you will understand more and more. Habit 3. Speak even if you make mistakes. Speaking is like exercise for your mouth and brain. The more you speak, the stronger your English muscles become. If you wait until your English is perfect before speaking, you will never start. Many learners are shy, but remember, mistakes are proof you are learning. Talk to yourself in English while doing chores. Speak with a friend or language partner online. Tip: don't worry about grammar in the beginning. Focus on communicating. Why speaking is important. Builds confidence. The more you speak, the less shy you feel. Improves fluency. You start thinking faster in English. Shows you your weak points. Mistakes tell you what you need to work on. Remember, mistakes are not failure. They are proof you are learning. Habit 4. Write something every day. Writing is like a mirror for your English. It shows you exactly what you know and what you don't. When you write, you slow down and think about words, grammar, and sentence order. The more you write, the more confident you will be in using English. Writing helps you remember new words and practice sentence structure. Write 3 sentences about your day. Post in English on Facebook or Instagram. Tip: use simple words first. Later, try to make longer sentences. Why writing is important? Improves grammar. You practice putting words in the right order. Helps you remember vocabulary. Writing uses your memory in a deeper way, organizes your thoughts. You learn to express ideas clearly. Habit 5. Learn 5 new words daily. Words are the building blocks of English. Without words, you cannot make sentences. The more words you know, the more ideas you can express. But here's the secret. It's better to learn a few words every day than to try to remember 50 words at once and forget them. Vocabulary is the building block of English. But don't try to learn 50 words at once. You will forget. Learn 5 words today and use them in sentences. Review them before sleeping. Tip: repetition is the key. Keep using the words. Why learning vocabulary daily is important. Improves communication. More words mean more ways to express yourself. Makes reading and listening easier. You understand more without stopping. Builds confidence. You can join more conversations without feeling lost. Habit 6. Think in English. This is powerful. If you think in your own language first, then translate, you will be slow. But if you think directly in English, you will be faster and more natural. When you see a cup, think cup, not the word in your own language. Plan your day in English in your mind. Increases speed. No more stopping to translate in your head. Improves fluency. You start speaking smoothly without long pauses. Makes English feel natural. You use English as a normal part of life, not just in study time. Habit 7. Be consistent. Small actions every day are better than big actions once a week. Even 15 minutes a day is enough if you do it every day. Study every morning after breakfast. Listen to English every night before sleep. Builds a routine. English becomes part of your daily life. Keeps your brain active. You remember more when you practice often. Gives faster results. Regular practice improves all skills together. Tip: make English part of your lifestyle like brushing your teeth. Remember, English is not a race. It's a journey. With these 7 habits, you will grow step by step. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, and one day you will speak English with confidence.